Drain.
I know what a drain, but what is my brother talking about? That's what I mean.
It
Like
was,
like a
spitting
pretend.
water. Yeah, that's right.
Papa, my daddy dropped the cookies down the drain like a Peppa Pig.
Is it?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. The key is playing. Look at it's putting in the drain, so it's falling down.
Okay.
I'm putting it every single side. Yes. This like this.
Like
A
what?
little bit more.
Oh, think about it.
Need my brother.
Why not?
I don't want to think about.
You don't want to think about it?
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
I'm taking the exercise.
Yeah.
So I so bored. I so bored.
Oh no.
Why are you bored? We can watch things, Joe.
Yeah, don't get bored, young man.
But
No,
there's
you have
only-
bread and jam, on the table, and you can have it with tea.
With some with sugar.
Yeah, sugar. Yeah.
We need the sugar and brown tea and white tea too.
Yeah.
Look at the shape. Look at
What shape?
look at the shape. It's like an oval. Look at.
Which? Oh. Ah, don't touch your forehead. You may get sticky. Because the jam is sticky.
Here's yours.
Thank you. Where's mine? Which one? Which one is mine?
Here.
Okay. Wow, you spread it nicely.
Looks like a
Well done.
Papa looks like a robot.
Hmm.
I'll take a robot.
Look at your tea.
Your tea with bubbles.
Wow.
I'm actually very hungry about it.
Yeah, mommy's gonna give you tea.
I'm not hungry. I just
Oh, you're gonna love it. Don't just try it.
I already know that I'm gonna love it, but I'm not hungry for it. I know that it's tasty, but I don't feel like eating it. I'm not hungry for that one just yet. I'm hungry for tea.
Hungry for tea? Tea's on the way. About to be ready.
I don't feel like
And
eating.
just try it.
Bread.
All right, then I will have it.
Here's your next bread that you ordered.
Okay, thank you.
It's like a restaurant that we serve things to you.
Yeah, I'm gonna have 2 slices of bread.
I'm still
Since you don't
waiting.
want it. Why?
My daddy
Your order has
dropped
already
the
arrived,
cookies
you know.
down the drain.
What did you say, young man?
No, my daddy dropped the cookies down the drain. So
What
brother said
is that? Come on, translate.
Peppa Pig means like the Peppa Pig Daddy Pig that like
What?
Peppa Pig. Daddy dropped the car keys down the drain.
Oh.
Like the Peppa Pig, like the Peppa Pig one, like the Peppa Pig's dad, like he was playing with the key and
Is
he
it?
accidentally dropped it on the drain. Remember?
Oh, I didn't know that. That's what your brother was saying, right?
You don't understand.
Yeah.
My leg is so tired. I
Why?
couldn't relax.
Okay. Say it again, young
Papa,
man.
look at how I said. Look at how I eat.
Sip. You never eat liquid. You sip or drink.
Are you ready? Are you ready to eat it?
It's still hot.
Those are kind of jelly hamburgers.
Yeah, it's a sandwich.
No. A jam sandwich with vegetables and jam.
Yeah. Yeah, they used to put some vegetable inside, lettuce and all that, a cucumber, and what is that? Agave,
It'll be cool. It'll be cool if we had like a fruit sandwich.
That's right.
Like we can use like.
Apple, a cucumber,
Let's make pizza.
mango.
Mango? Is that on a pizza?
I don't know.
No.
I don't know.
Is lettuce on the pizza?
Yeah. No, I don't know.
No. Sit down. Papa,
Yeah.
do you like poop and broccoli?
No, I don't.
Do you want a smoothie?
Yucky.
Do you want a smoothie that has an icing that was poop and with with broccoli and with rainbow sprinkles.
No, I don't like poop.
You don't want poop
Yucky.
frosting?
It would be so yucky.
It's tasting the jam. Fruit jam.
How does it taste?
My brother's just licking the plate
Yeah.
right now.
It's just a plate, right?
Oh.
Now he's licking the bread. Don't make me sound good. It's not nice.
It's gonna go away.
Huh?
It's gonna go away.
Oh, why?
So I don't want.
Stay a little bit longer.
My brother.
You miss you? Have your tea. Anyway, at least if you don't like the bread,
Yeah.
at least have the cup of tea.
Remember last time you used to eat it and you liked it? Papa, look at me.
Oh, what is that?
It's me.
Oh, you're hiding.
I'm cleaning my hair. Papa, the salon man. I just done it. Papa, the salon man. I gotta go round and round. It's gonna be easy like that.
Round and round and around we go.
I'm washing the heart so good.
Your laptop is still in the bag or what?
Yeah.
I haven't checked it out. Yeah. Forgot.
I'm
so Thankful. I'm so thankful to you because you let me borrow your laptop. You know.
Yeah, because I have to like have a break sometimes. You know. Papa, do you like with like a jelly sandwich and a jam, put it inside, and lettuce as the and poop as the lettuce?
No. Poop is yucky.
Even though you put jelly, do you want to eat it?
Yeah.
Without poop.
Yeah.
Then how
It will
about
spoil the whole thing, you know.
yeah?
Can I have it?
Yes.
Okay, since you don't.
Ah! Like this really good. Hey, Papa, look it. It's like Papa looks like it's opening its mouth. Papa, let's do it like
It's
this.
like a bat.
Papa, do it back like this. See. I'm ready for my chips, you know. Okay. Papa, then do you want a jelly sandwich with jelly on the inside? And how about apples as the lettuce?
Yes.
They'll be all juicy and yummy.
Yeah, this one.
And how about a jelly sandwich and grapes?
Yep. I like
And
that
how
too.
about a jelly sandwich with orange?
Yep, that will do too. I like fruits, you know.
Yes.
And
And
I
how
even-
about peach?
Yeah, it will do
And
too.
how about pears?
Pear will do. Fresh and
And
juicy.
how about
Crunchy.
chilies?
Ah.
You'll be all spicy and sticky at the same time because we add like jam all over it, right?
Right.
It'll be mixed and it'll be disgusting.
That's right. Just have a bite. You're gonna love
No,
it. Yummy, yum, yum, yum. The bread is so fresh, you know.
I
So
know it's
smooth,
fresh.
so soft.
I know that I never eat bread a long time ago. Look at, I'm just give it that piece. Like, I'm gonna stab some things.
Like a clip.
Like, look at watch that go. My papa. What is it, my papa? My papa. That means whatever. Hold this. It's like a triangle.
Yeah. Give me that. Let me eat it. Looks like an arrow too.
Oh yeah, now.
Yeah, let's stick now, like that.
Papa, I put all this stuff.
Okay. So, you're running. Oh, you're gonna fly. Okay. Woo! Mom is flying.
But it's pretending to be fun. But we don't make fun of it. Okay, I'm done.
Okay, I'm done too. Bye.
Bye. Bye yourself.
See you later.
Bye. And bye bye to my jam finger. Bye bye.
Okay, bye bye.